We come to the next passage, and now we'll be answering question numbers 90 to 93. Now question number 90 is, according to the author, what was it about New York that made it as art friendly as described in the passage? We have four options. Option A, the presence of various platforms for showcasing experimental and innovative art from Europe. Option B, groundbreaking artists exhibiting their work there. Option C, teaching of lessons on abstract expressionism. And option D, none of the above. The answer to question number 90 is option A. If we refer to the first paragraph of the passage, we find that option A is the correct answer because it has been mentioned in the passage. And if we focus on the term avant-garde, we know that option A is the answer. Option B describes artists as groundbreaking, while the passage describes temporary exhibitions as groundbreaking, and hence the option can be ruled out. So it is an incorrect option, option B. Option C says abstract expressionism instead of European modernism, which is obviously incorrect. So the correct answer to question number 90 is option A.